So what is a base map? First, let's understand this thing. Actually, base map is not a different kind of thing. It's a kind of background layer that you add in your map to provide a geographic context. For example, in my context here, this Butol Wars dash 44 North, this is my main thematic content, or it's the main thing that I want to show to my viewers. Whereas this second layer, Humps NPL WGS3, this one is my background layer. It's a contextual layer that is providing a geographic context to this. For example, this data actually is municipality level of data of Nepal, and this data in this example here, this data is working as a background layer, is giving the geographic context to this main thematic content. This Butol is the name of this main map face, and in this Butol, the neighboring palikas that are available, rural municipality data available is Tinau, Sudadan, Tilotama, Devdaha, and Sainamena. So if I will make a map without this base map, then first thing is that there won't be any kind of geographic context. So we need to keep this secondary data source for geographic context. And other thing is that adding such kind of map, it makes the map more aesthetic, and it makes the map more beautiful to do. So that's the reason why base map is so much important to keep in GIS purposes. Instead of this one, you can also keep this OSM standard tiler. Keeping this also, it has shown the how the geography of this area looks like, and adding a bit of more, making map more beautiful. So another thing that you need to understand is that the base map does not mean that the one that you use keep the satellite imagery or this OSM standard. Here the layer that you are using, this another data, it's not the primary data layer, it's the secondary data layer that you are using, that could be any kind of shape file, raw data, and waterways data, or any kind of other data that is just providing the contextual meaning, or any kind of data that is providing the contextual geographic location, contextual meaning to the main thematic content, then that should be regarded as a base map. Don't be confused that adding this WMS layer of OSM or satellite imagery, they only are the base map. It's not true. If you add any kind of other additional data source that provides some geographic reference to this main thematic content, like here in this case I'm providing this level 3 data of municipality level, then they are also the base map. They provide the geographic context, like we can see in this case here. If I had not used this municipality level base map, then there would be no geographic context. I could have labeled it here saying this is Butol sub-metropolitan city, but what are the neighboring places that surrounds this Butol sub-metropolitan city? So if I would add this base map, then it will provide more meaning to this main thematic content. That's why adding base map is very important. And other thing is that adding base map makes your map, overall map, looks more aesthetic and beautiful. So without this base map, something could be feel like something is missing. But if we add this base map, it will make your map more beautiful.